Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all the how-tos. In today's video, we are looking at ClickUp, the site that helps you manage your projects, your team, and everything that comes with it. Now, this is going to be a basic tutorial of the free version. They also do have a paid version for more in-depth use. Here we go. Right now, we are using the free version that gives us 100 megabytes of storage, unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan members, collaborative docs, whiteboards, real-time chat, sprint management, native time tracking, in-app video recordings, and 24/7 support. You also have the $5 per month membership. This is best for small teams. The $12 a month, which is best for mid-sized teams. $19, best for multiple teams. And you can get a quote on enterprise. Okay, now to get started, we're going to come over here where it says enter your work email. And this is how we're going to sign up. We can either sign up right here or all the way at the top right here where it says sign up, log in, contact sales. From right here, we're going to hit sign up. Sign up for free and start using ClickUp in seconds. You can put our work email down. Let's quickly do that right now. Has this let's go screen. So it has our email. We can choose a password and our full name right here. Let's put John Doe. Now, it is going to ask you to confirm your email, so you want to go over to your email and do that by giving it the code. And here we go. Welcome, John Doe. Our mission is to make you more productive. This will only take a few minutes. Let's do it. Right now, we could choose our workspace name, so let's name it Fixify -how to. Customize an avatar. Let's just go basic green. I'm happy so far. Choose your favorite color theme. Let's go green again. How many people would you be working with? So you could choose a various different amount of people. Again, this is the free version, and the free version allows you to choose however many people you want, from just yourself all the way up to over 500 people. For this instance, we don't know exactly what we want to do or how many people we're going to want, so we could put, I don't know, and we could choose that later. How do you want to start using ClickUp? I would be using ClickUp 4. Gives you a section of an entire variety of different options, from marketing to IT to project management, personal use, professional services, engineering and products, sales and CRM, support, HR, creative and design, operations, finance and accounting, and other. For this instance right here, we're going to go with creative design, or at this point, you could just choose other. That's it. Now go and change the world, and don't forget to have fun. And we hit play with ClickUp. Give it a second to load. Okay, now as soon as you log in, it should take you to this screen. This is the home screen. We have like a lineup, the trending tab, we have the my work for the day, we have a calendar right here, and then along the left side we have like the home tab, notifications, we have the favorites tab, the spaces. The spaces is what we're going to be mostly working with. We have the Fixify team space right here. And then if you drop down there, it gives you a list right here. And this is just a little template list it gives you, so you can customize it to however you like. So we're going to be basically spending our entire time in this little workspace list right here. However, right here, I am actually going to be deleting this list just so we can start completely new. Right underneath space, we're going to hit the plus icon. We're going to add a new list. List name, we're going to type this in as YouTube videos. Because like always, a majority of what we're going to be doing is going to be based around the Fixify YouTube channel, making to-do lists for YouTube videos and all that jazz. Right here where it says YouTube videos, we can put a task name. So right here we could put ClickUp how to. We could add tags to that. Video creation. We could add a person to that. Add me, John Doe. Set a due date. The due date can be, let's say, Saturday the 7th. We can set this as a priority from low, normal, high, and urgent. We're going to put this at a high rating. Click save. And we can do this with the entire list of tasks. And with that, we could put stuff like Wix tutorial. Set that as all the same things. We do Canva logo maker. Same thing, video creation, me, due date, we could put the 21st, low, and save that. And there we go. Now we have a couple of to-do list tasks. Okay, now we did that. Right here we have the YouTube video task list. We come all the way down here where it says on the very bottom, we hit plus new task. Click on that. Okay, now instead of coming over here and hitting new task right there, we can also come down here and hit new task right here. And from right here, it also gives us so many more different options. We can put a description of the task, same task subsection. Instead, where it says task name. We can either put the task name or hit / for commands. We could put in a template. We could put in an attachment box. We could assign something to whoever. We could make it so someone has to watch this. Priority, due dates, subtasks, positions, tags, start date, inboxes, advanced block templates. Okay, now we're going to move a little bit next to task. We do have a save button right here. So this view, so if we come over here and hit the save button, this view has unsaved changes. Let's save that. And there we go. And everything does somewhat automatically save, but once in a while you do have to click that if it doesn't. But right next to the task button, we have 3 little dots. We have 4 little dots right here. And right there, we can hit record clip, task time, reminder, notepad, new doc, calendar, or disk tray. If we hit record clip, and there we go. Right now, we're recording. So anything we do, it is recording now. And once we stop recording, it will come up in one of the tasks. Okay, now we're going to come all the way back here where it says Team Space again. We're going to click the plus icon once more. And right here, instead of list, we can come up here with doc, whiteboard folder, sprint folder from Team Space or import. Right here, we're going to click whiteboard as a new option it gives us. Waiting for that to load. And here we go. Welcome to whiteboards. Click here to get started with a quick tour of the features. Start from scratch. Gives us the option to where we can immediately just go where we go, do what we want to do. Go over here at the draw. And we can draw whatever we want. It also gives us shapes, sticky notes, text, connectors, mind map, templates, web cards, and images. Now, obviously, you could do whatever you want from scratch. Control-Z to undo it. But we're going to come up here and we're going to show you some of the templates it gives us. So let's come up here again, hit whiteboard new. And these are some of the templates we have. The flowchart, concept mapping, stand-up, retrospective, brainstorming, sticky notes, and all of that. For this instance, we're going to go to concept mapping. We can click use template. And there we go. From right here, we can then type in. So let's say these are the actual main video ideas. Come over here with this main concept. Let's put Fixify. And this could be our week's worth of videos. So let's come right here. We could put ClickUp How To. Right here, we could put the script tab or the writers. And if we want, we can highlight it. Come up here where it says insert a link. And from right here, we could put, let's say, a Google Doc link or even a link to one of the other pages that has our notes for the actual script. Come up here, we could put video created / edited. And then right here, a thumbnail made. And anytime we're done with a task, we can come up here and hit delete, and it immediately deletes that. And we do the same thing for every one of these concepts. Okay, now that I showed you a tiny little bit of everything, we're going to come over here again, and we're going to check out some of the templates it gives you, just so you have an idea of stuff you can make using ClickUp. Come up here where it says space, create. We can hit from template. And here we go. We can have Task Manager, CRM, Content Calendar, Simple Project Manager, and so much more. So right here, we can click Task Manager, Use Template. And right here, Folder Name, we can go Video Creation List. Select location for this folder, so we can hit space, and that'll take you to the Team Space subsection. Everything else you can go and keep. Hit Use Template. And all the way down here, it does say creating folder, so it will take just a brief moment to load. And here we go. Your folder template has been created. Give it a second to load once again. And here we go. So it has all the tasks right here. It has the assignee. We has the due date, priority, status, department, and progress. I really do like how this looks. But also right here with this video creation list, it also has a couple of subsections. We have actions list. And it gives us some of the actions list like revisions, review, and in progress. Idea list, where it gives us some just random ideas. So we have pitch idea to Shark Tank, April Fool's marketing prank, implement artificial intelligence, and get a billboard. Right here, it says backlog, to-do list, research the competitor, connect with investor, record product demo, and create affiliate system. Okay, then anytime you want to check out what the project is, you come up here. Let's hit design new logo. Let's click on that. And here we go. So design new logo. We could put a little description right here. So we could put design a logo for the Fixify's social media pages. It gives us the little department, so we could put department, there's design. For department, we could put video. And department has a couple of different options. We have marketing, operations, design, client success, engineering, finance, and sales and management. We could add and edit options. Come up here, add new option. We could put a video editor and save that. It gives us a to-do list, subtasks, and a checklist. It also gives you a little view history. So we set the project to urgent. We created a task by copying the project, and we changed the department from design to a video editor. And you can see one person's watching this, and that's me. It gives us the due date right here, 11/25/22. And if it's in red, that means we are past due. Time tracked, it gives us an actual option of how long we are doing the project. So we come up here, and we get the plus. And up here, we can hit the play icon. And right now, it is tracking us working. So we can have this in the back. So we can have this kind of minimized. We could be doing our work. So we could really check how long we've been doing the project. Say if we're working hourly, it tracks all that for us. Close out of that. And there we go. That is a very simple and easy way to use ClickUp. Not only for managing your business, but managing your channel, your social medias, your team, everything. Thank you guys also very much for watching. If you guys want us to research a specific topic, please let us know in the comments section below, or we might just do it in the next video. And if you like what you've seen and you want to check out some of the product links we have listed down in the description box below, when you click on one of those product links and consider buying a product, we do receive a small commission, which helps the channel out greatly. So I want to say thank you guys also very much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. And with that, see you next time.